Hello, my name is Emmanuel Makanaraton. Now I want to tell you my interest experience. Vacation end of 2018, I visit to the island of Java, especially as Java with my sister. There I live with my sister in Brawijaya, dormitory in Surabaya. The first day there I was invited to travel to the night market. The place is very crowded and lots of people are selling. There is also a lot of culinary and entertainment. After walking around, I decided to go home and rest because I was tired. The next day I was invited by my sister to go around Surabaya on a motorcycle. Very happy to be able to visit the city of Surabaya, but there are not many tourist attractions there. So I decided to visit the city of Malang because there are many because finally arrived in the city of Malang. My friend happened to study at the Merdeka University of Malang, so I live with him. I, I spend my vacation there by visit many tourist attractions because the city of Malang has a lot of very good tourist attractions. The first, the first place I visit was the most famous tourist spot in Malang, the colorful village. This village is a slum that has been transformed into a very beautiful village with houses that are given beautiful colors. Lots of tourists who visit this place, both local and foreign tourists. New Year Eve, my friends and I took part in the Eucharist close the year at Langsep Courts. After complete the Eucharist celebration, we wait for the turn of the year at the Park Ijan, Malang. A lot of people have gathered there with their family and partners. Everyone brings firecrackers to play together at the turn of the year. I'm very happy because I can celebrate the change of 2018 to 2019 in Malang City. Not only that, I visit the tourist town of Batu. Lot of God tourist attraction there. One of the places I visit was Paralayang. It took quite a long time to get there, and we went at night so we could see the beauty of Malang City at night from a height. The air in Batu is so cold that we have to wear thick jacket. The road is very steep, making me and my friends need a long time to get to their destination. But our stroke was not in vain. Very nice scenery makes me very satisfied, although a little bit covered in fog, but we can still see how beautiful the city of Malang is at night. With a cup of coffee, I spoil my eyes with twinkling lights that are so beautiful. And this was the most memorable experience of my life. That is all, and thank you.